In this video, you will learn two ways to convert a printed document at hand or electronic files of the documents to vouchers in TallyPrime. You can scan and send transactions to TallyPrime using the HeyTally app on Android devices. Alternatively, you can import the PDF and images on your computer using the Doc AI Assistant in TallyPrime. The Doc AI Assistant uses the power of artificial intelligence to make the voucher creation process simple and smooth. You can import or scan documents for sales, purchase, credit note, or debit note, and create vouchers individually or in bulk. Using the values in the imported transactions, Doc AI also helps you create masters in TallyPrime if the masters are unavailable in TallyPrime. It can also map the master details in transactions to the relevant masters available in TallyPrime. Even if you have hundreds of transactions as PDF, image or printed documents, Doc AI Assistant helps you to create vouchers in a matter of minutes. This saves you time and effort that generally gets consumed in data entry. Let's see how to scan and send transactions to TallyPrime using the HeyTally app. To get the QR code in TallyPrime, press Alt-O. This works anywhere in TallyPrime. Select Transactions and then HeyTally app website. Scan the QR code using your phone camera. Tap the link and then you can install the app on your Android device. Once you have the app, open it. Tap the camera icon in the app. Click a pic of the document. If there are multiple pages, tap the plus icon to add a page and click a pic of the new page. Tap Done. The file gets saved under the Pending tab. Select the file. If you have many files, then you can select up to 10 files for sending to TallyPrime. Tap the Proceed icon. Scan the QR code shown in TallyPrime. If the QR code expires, then you can generate again. The file gets imported to TallyPrime and the pending transactions report appears. Now, let's see how to import transaction files on your computer to TallyPrime. Before importing, we recommend you to take a backup of the company data. To learn how to do it, you can watch our video, How to Take Backup of Company Data in TallyPrime. The link to the video is given in the description. Press Alt-O and select Transactions. The type of import is Doc AI Assistant. Let's import files as purchase vouchers. Select the file to import. You can select a PNG or JPEG image or PDF file with one transaction. You can also select a zip file or all files in a folder provided all the files are either PDFs or images. Let's select all files. Here you go. Your files are imported in no time. Immediately after the import, you can view the transactions in the Pending Transactions report. Now, let's see how to create vouchers at one shot. Doc AI Assistant ensures that the transactions that have no errors are ready to convert as regular vouchers. You can create such vouchers in the blink of an eye without even opening the vouchers for validation. Just select the vouchers that are ready to convert and press F10. Here you go. The vouchers get created and become a part of your company data. Let's see the vouchers. Press Alt-G. Type or select Daybook and press Enter. The instant voucher creation by Doc AI Assistant saves a great deal of time. Now, let's see how to use the Pending Transactions report. Press Alt-O, select Exceptions and Pending Transactions and open Pending Transactions. Here you get all the transactions that are imported to TallyPrime for which the voucher creation is pending. Press Ctrl-H and you can choose to view the report voucher type-wise. As you can see, currently, transactions of only purchase voucher type are imported. To view the summary of file import, press F6. If there is any file for which the import is either in progress or failed, then it will get displayed here with the status. Since all files are successfully imported, no files are displayed. Press Escape and go back to Transactions. Before creating a voucher, you might want to view the imported file corresponding to a transaction. Select the transaction and press Alt-W to view the imported file. You can verify the values in the file. Once you create the voucher, you will not be able to view the file. You have already seen how to create vouchers on the go from the Pending Transactions report. In the report, you can also address cases like incorrect date and master mismatch with the company data. It might be possible that the date of a pending transaction does not fall in the current period of the company. Select the transaction and press F9 to set date. Enter the date and press Ctrl-A to save. The date gets changed in the selected transaction. If there are no other exceptions in the transaction, then it moves to the Ready to Convert section. You can select multiple transactions and set date for all of them if needed. Now, under the Remark column, you can view the errors regarding master values. You can map the master values with that available in TallyPrime. Select the transaction and press F8 to update mapping. You can easily identify the relevant master. Here, the closest matches to the master are listed in the descending order. This enables an instant search. Select the relevant master and press Ctrl-A. The mapping gets saved and the voucher gets resolved. You can now view the voucher under the Ready to Convert section. The master mapping also gets saved for the future instances, which makes the voucher creation all the more effortless. Now, let's see how to create vouchers while addressing the errors such as mismatch and a missing master. The transactions under the Action Required section have errors that need to be addressed. Here, a transaction section has master values that are either not available or not matched with a corresponding master in TallyPrime. The DocAI assistant helps you create new masters or identify the matching masters available in TallyPrime. Let's open the voucher. The red indicators help you identify the masters that are not available in TallyPrime. You will need to create those masters, and you don't need to create the masters manually. You can do it merely by saving the voucher. Press Ctrl-A. The DocAI assistant identifies the missing masters and creates them with the values available in the imported file. The master and voucher creation takes a fraction of a second. Now, let's open another voucher. Let's create the master with the extracted value. In the master alteration screen, DocAI Assistant ensures that all the values are prefilled for master creation. You can add or change the details if needed. Press Ctrl-A to save the master. Similarly, you can create a stock item with the extracted value. The stock item screen already has the details. Press Ctrl-A to save the stock item. Now, if you have a stock item or any master corresponding to the master value in the imported file, then DocAI Assistant helps you quickly identify the master. For this stock item, the closest matches are listed in the descending order. Select the matching master. Here you go. The master gets mapped, not just for this voucher, but also for the future transactions. Now, as all other masters are available, you can press Ctrl-A to save the voucher. Now, let's view the master mapping report where all the mapped masters are saved. Press Alt-O, Manage, and select Master Mapping. You can see that the mapped masters are saved here. Additionally, you can enter the master value that is a part of an imported file and map it to the master value in TallyPrime. You can select the field name for which you want to map the master values. Select the party ledger for which the mapping needs to be applicable. Enter the extracted value that you want to map to the value in TallyPrime. You can apply the mapping to a specific voucher type if needed. Press Ctrl A to save the mapping. When you import the document with the master, the transactions with the mapped master values will not show an error. Let's open the imported transaction. As you can see, the master used in the transaction is mapped to the one available in TallyPrime. As you saw, DocAI Assistant in TallyPrime takes care of your voucher creation process from printed documents, PDF, or images. It assists you right from importing the transaction files to seamless voucher creation. What's more, you don't even need to create masters manually. DocAI Assistant helps you create them instantly or even map them to the relevant master values available in your company. This saves a great deal of time while reducing the workload of mundane tasks so that you can focus on more important aspects of your business. Thank you.